All right, guys. So 1 year later with the Tzumi Magic TV application and device, as you can see right here on the screen, that the device is still working after a year of usage, and it works on the latest and most updated devices out there, whether you're on iPhone or Android, iPads, or even Android tablets. The app will still work, but the thing is, you're maximized to 16:9 ratio aspect ratio, and what that does is basically, let me go ahead and blow up the picture for you. As you can see, you can have it in landscape mode, but you're gonna have a few black bars. But with phones with notches, this will definitely close out the notch, so you won't have to worry about the notch being available or in your viewing way when using a Magic TV application or using a Magic TV device. Now you can use it with this cord. This cord gives you extended range of channels and viewing, and it actually helps it view better. Now, as you can see, it is kind of skipping a little bit, and it could be due to how my wiring is right now and the location where I'm at right now. I'm on the floor in the living room filming this video, trying to show you guys viewing this application and how this device works. Now, I have several other videos showing you actual full review and unboxing and how to set it up. I'll leave those links in the description box. But this device comes with a 3,000 milliamp battery, which means you can actually charge your tablet or iPhone or Android phone with this device, as well as watch TV. Now, who's this device for? It's basically for users that go out traveling a lot and that do camping, and you don't have phone signal, so you can't watch your Netflix or you can't watch YouTube or anything in that sort, and you're out of range of signal. But yeah, with this device having an antenna, well, actually two antennas, one to extend the range of your viewing, and one that can actually work by itself. But like I said, if you're having trouble, and it will, detect whether or not, hey, you're out of range, use the extended antenna. And so it does work very well. As you can see, you get full HD TV for free on your smartphone without having internet access or mobile data. And all you have to do is download the Magic TV application on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and it works perfectly fine. Like I said, the only downside is that you have to be in range, and it's only 16:9 aspect ratio. But like I said, for those with notches, this will basically black out the notch, so you won't have to notch in a way of viewing your device, and you can watch free HD TV, sports channels, anything in that sort, whatever you can pick up. This will get the job done. Now, I only found one website that's still available to order this from, and that's eBay. You can get this on eBay, the device, for $7 on eBay. I'll leave a screenshot in the video so you guys can check, and I'll leave a link for eBay website to order this. But yeah, so this is really worth the money. After 1 year later, once again, I'm still showing you guys on my device. It's still working. Your HD TV, what have you. This Jerry Springer showing, but that's the first one I picked first. And like I said, you put it back in the portrait mode, you can see all the channels, and you scroll up and down and see all the channels that you have available when scanning. All right. So yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Magic TV device? I still say pick it up and use it. It's definitely a go. All right. Leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this 1 year later review. I'll leave all the links to the description in the description box on how to set this up, the unboxing, and the full review video. And let me know what you think personally. All right, it's your boy, Two Phone.